Welcome to Quick Fit series. Today our focus is going to be on our lower body. All we're going to need is just one heavy dumbbell. There will be a total of 5 exercises with 5 minutes on the timer. The work time will be of 45 seconds and there will be 15 seconds rest in between. With that, let's get started.
For this exercise, you can use anywhere from 3 to 8 kgs.
It would mean everything to me if I do. Tired of hearing excuses you're making. Future is set, it is
Now switch.
spending our time living on made up. I need to wake up. Holding my breath until you're gone. Anywhere that is far from you. You only wanted me to fail. Oh, I'm this way because of you. Fall every day.
Now switch.
Despite you. Wake up. Wake up. Tired of hearing excuses you're making. Future is set, it is mine for the taking. Spending our time living on made up. I need to wake up. Can I break this hold from you? It would mean everything to me if I do. Tired of hearing excuses you're making. Future is set, it is mine for the taking. Spending our time living on made up. I need to wake up. Holding my breath until you're gone. Anywhere that is far from you. You only wanted me to fail. Oh, I'm this way because of you. Fall every day to overcome despite you. Wake up. Wake up. Tired of
Now switch.
excuses you're making. mine for the taking. Spending a lifetime living a life made up. I need to wake up.
Did you feel even the last move without any added weight felt so hard and you did it successfully? Great job today. Tomorrow will be the arms with abs and you will need light band and dumbbells. Let the dumbbells be around 2 to 5 kgs. Thanks for joining me and I will see you tomorrow.